Sir William Van Horne estate on Minister Island. Sea and sky, field and forest, this remarkable island landscapes captivated Canadian Pacific Railway President Sir William Van Horne. The summer estate began in 1890 and maintained by the family until the 1940s. Reflects Van Horne's vision of importance of tourism, agriculture, and Canada's development. Montreal architect Edward Maxwell designed a unique collection of highly original structures, including a cottage, barn, dairy, bath house, windmill, and gas plant. The buildings are in shingle style, popular for the resort's architecture in Canada. In the late 19th century and early 20th century, the estate captures the features of landscape design of the time, including formal gardens, a farm, recreational facilities, and forests, all integrated into Atlantic Canada's rolling landscapes and dramatic views. A talented amateur artist and collector, Van Horne used his island estate to encourage Canadian landscape paintings. The Brunswick, Minister's Island. The Passamaquoddy people lived on this island, I can't pronounce that name, for thousands of years. It's an Indian name. In 1790, Samuel Andrews, an Anglican minister and loyalist, built a home here. Hence the name Minister's Island. Circa 1890, William Van Horne, visionary builder of the Canadian Pacific Railway, established his summer estate here. Oh, nice breeze here. At least it's a little cooler. Oh, it's one hot day. It is humid. What a view. The tide's a long ways out. Bath house in 1911, completed in 1912. The bath house was built from red sandstone blasted from the beach below. The upper floor featured open windows and a drain hole to let out rain water. The lower floor contains change rooms and a circular walkway leading to the outdoor saltwater pool. The panoramic view from the bathhouse inspired many Sir William Van Horne's paintings. What a view. On the bathhouse. Trippy.
My brother was hold them when you were up front.
Oh, okay, yeah. Nobody stole her. No problem. Oh, this is the bath house. Changing rooms. Wow, it's huge. What a view. Oh, beautiful.
It is, ain't it?
Oh, I guess.
Yeah. They said they built this out of this right here.
Yeah, I was reading the sign there. Like, wow.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I guess.
I think this is it right here, honey. That's the only thing I can tell.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. Don't climb on that. Many hundreds of years old.
Hi. Oh, thank you. Come on, you Shakira. This way. Come on. This way. Come on. Oh, come on, you. Come on, Shakira. Stairs are steep. Come on, you. Come on, up the stairs. Gardener's cottage. Harry Clark was the head gardener for Sir William Van Horne, first in Montreal and then starting here on the island in the late 1890s. He lived here with his wife, Mark, and their children, William, John and Kathleen, Mary, Margaret, Cecil, and August. After Harry's death in 1933, his son and grandsons looked after the gardens, following in his footsteps. His son William Clark William V. Clark, spent a lifetime tending the gardens, first for Van Horne, then for the Van Horne Islands Club, and finally for Harbor Farms Estates. Bill and his wife Doris raised their children, Jim, Bud, and Elizabeth, and Henry on Minister's Island. The Clarks helped to create and maintain a truly beautiful and well-kept estate for many decades. I'm sure it is. The Garden House. In 1908, construction began on the greenhouse, the largest of their kind in Canada. Grapes, cucumbers, peaches, nectarines, pears, plums, and cherries grew in abundance. The Van Hornes were lavish entertainers, and visitors to the island enjoyed the bounty. The locals were welcome to tour the greenhouse and gardens on Sundays. Also, the greenhouse provided a steady stream of produce in winter months, which was sent via train to the Montreal Estates. Can't believe how much the tide is out. It's unreal. It's all the bottom of the ocean floor.